Yeah, so today is interior day. Um, the fuel tank's out, waiting for the parts. Well, they came in. I just got to put them together, waiting for my buddy to give me a hand. We are taking the interior out because the leather is good condition, but it's dry from sitting. So we're taking it all out. We're gonna recondition it for a couple days, wrap it, and yeah. Then we will put the gas tank on, and I'll put the interior back on. That way we don't ruin the interior messing around, you know? Yeah, so we got quite a few things to do. I gotta button this up. This is not tight. Gotta put the hose here. I gotta bleed the brace because I changed the master. But I bench bleed the master, so it shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too much air. Yeah, and gotta charge up the AC, tighten up that line. I need to get a new battery. I don't know if this battery's junk. Bleed the coolant, let it run, see what it does. Everything should be good. There's one issue that I haven't got to. That's the blend door is messed up on the driver's side, so it won't switch from heat to AC. So that's another issue that I gotta fix. You know, I really don't care for the heat because this is gonna be a summer car only, not winter. But you never know. So just wanna get that fixed, which is, you know, kind of a bitch to find these parts, but. Oh, you know, 22-year-old car. I mean, 20-year-old car. What are you gonna do, you know? Everybody wants you to have a new car, but I like the old junk. I like the old junk. I like the old junk. But yeah, we're gonna take these seats out. There's I got the driver's seat. We're going to moisturize it, recondition it, because the leather's getting brittle. Right when it does that, it'll crack. So hard and dry. It needs to be soft. You know, it needs to be soft. Right here is so hard. That's gonna crack. That's gonna crack. They take care of the car, man. Just drove it, gotta go. You know, the BMW. Gotta do a couple things in the BMW. But overall, it's driving good. And I gotta do a couple things on the EP3. But EP3 is driving good. You know, for the most part, my junk's good for the most part. For the most part, you know. But yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't show you. We painted the bumpers. They're in there. Hold on. There they are. Now, are they perfect? No, because I painted them in here, so you can see like it's dull. I gotta wet sand this. But the top part came out alright. There wasn't so much dust. Because when I came down with the gun, and I wet the floor too, and the dust still fucking, you can see the little dust particles in here. So, gonna have to give that a wet sand. And to be honest, I wasn't striving for perfect. I just wanted to somewhat match because I want to repaint the whole car next year, next summer or spring. The EP3, I don't have time to redo it. I'm just wicked busy. I gotta work on the house. I gotta do a bunch of shit, so I just gotta park them, you know. I'm trying to drive. There's the back seat. There's the back seat. I'm trying to drive this car, man, but it's just one punch in the face after another, man. I'm in this car right now. Parts, labor, 9K. Buying the car, buying the engine, buying the transmission, buying the headlights, buying the alternator, starter, the K-tune parts, the radiator, the condenser, the oil change stuff, the fuel tank, and all the other little stuff that we know. We did the brakes. There's quite a bit of stuff, you know. So it's about 9,000 right now. And then this, we had it from the parts car. They never even had it. They deleted it. So, but everything's functioning, just not the gas. Which the gas tank's over here. Came from California. Go figure, right? There's the gas tank. It's in good condition. There's the old one. So I gotta take the fuel pump out. Never took it out. And there's the brackets. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
But yeah, that's basically the update for this. We're gonna take off these seats, get some stuff done, move some stuff around. Yeah, just trying to take my time with it, trying to get it done right, you know. But all the lights are plugged in, they're working, you know. Yeah, I don't like just, you know, slapping the car together, drive it down the road, and then watch it fall apart. Especially an old car like this. I had to buy the other. I bought this one, but I had to buy the other side out. That one's broken. This one was completely missing. I mean, there was just a lot of missing parts. I think, I know, honestly, I overpaid for the car. For what I had to put into it, I overpaid. This wasn't just a buy a motor, swap it. You know, I should have got this car for 1,500 bucks. Because even though the parts were on there, but they were all broken. Even the axles. Because when this came out, this broke that axle. And then the parts came out, smashed the fuel tank, just parts. So, alright. Stay tuned, see any more updates, which I'll have a lot. Alright, doing some cleaning. We got some new used mats that we gotta clean up. Wifey's in there vacuuming, taking out all the rat piss. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Having fun? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning up all the pee inside your car.
All the pee, huh?
Yeah.
All the pee. You see, wrap the seats, condition it with that leather. If you want to know how to do that, just watch the previous video. But yeah, this is an update. That thing's nasty, huh?
Yeah.
The water's filthy.
My hose is broken, so it's kind of peeing out a little bit right there.
Yeah. Yeah, that pee. Yep, just got the carpets to do. Clean these up, put these in. The seats, we're gonna leave them wrapped. I'll show you the seats.